Now we are going to talk about a female child who is having 16 or 17 or 18 years old and she had never got menstrual cycle. What parents have to do? There will be so much trouble in the family. If there is a small problem in the health also, in any person, maybe grandparents, maybe parents, maybe kids, if there is any small problem, the problem will be there for the entire family. So, not attained menarche, what parents have to do? Nowadays kids are getting menstrual cycles when they are around 10 or 11 years old. Because of the good nourishment, because of the no exercise. Only they are spending their time in studies, or they are spending their time only with the watching TVs or watching telephone. So these are the reasons. And healthy food, one more reason. Because of all these things, actually they are getting early menarche. Okay, up to 14-15 years the parents are waiting and thinking that her mother got menarche around 14 or 15 years. They waited till 15, she is not getting, and again they started worrying, and they will meet a doctor, and the doctor will give some hormone capsules or hormone injections. They will get menstrual cycle with the hormones, and they don't know really there is some other problem, and so only after giving hormones only she is getting menstrual cycles. There are so many chromosomal abnormalities. There are sometimes very small uterus. There are sometimes no ovaries at all, only small uterus. So they don't know what to do. They go to a doctor, they do one scan, abdominal scan, and so if there is a uterus, they may recognize that there are no ovaries. Then what to do? Sometimes we will advise you to go for an MRI scan or whatever it is. Sometimes we do laparoscopy and we will decide what should be done. There will be hormonal treatment, proper hormonal treatment the child has to take to get the secondary sexual characters. If the secondary sexual characters are there, at least they can go for marriage. If the secondary sexual characters are not there, we have to give some preparations, some drugs, and then they have to get secondary sexual characters. So what advice we will give? We will give proper advice for the person. They can go for marriage if there is no septum, or if the vaginal loss is good and all. And if there is any problem, sometimes the surgery may be required for the female to create vaginoplasty to be done, and with the egg donation they will conceive, they may conceive. And we have to do all the chromosomal tests. If there is any problem, we have to explain the parents. We have to give proper suggestion to the parents as well as the female child. So these are very important. You should never forget, and you should not delay to bring the baby, to bring the female child to the family doctor and take proper decision.